Hello students, my name is Vaibhav Badkar, biology lecturer, and today's topic is human physiology. The enzyme that is not present in Succus entericus. Succus entericus means intestinal juice. Intestinal juice. Not present nucleosidase, maltase, lipase, nuclease, and the correct answer is nuclease. The primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition in not having one of the following type of teeth: molar, canine, incisor, premolar. So premolar remains absent in the primary dentition. Gastric juice of infants contain pepsinogen, lipase, rennin, amylase, rennin, pepsinogen, maltase, pepsinogen, rennin, nuclease, pepsinogen, lipase. And the correct answer is pepsinogen, lipase, rennin. Fourth one. Which of the following statement is not correct? Let us see which is not correct. Oxyntic cells are present in the mucosa of stomach and secrete HCl. Correct. Acini are present in the pancreas and secrete carboxypeptidase. Correct. Brunner's glands are present in the submucosa of stomach and secrete pepsinogen. Yes, this is wrong. Okay. It does not secrete pepsinogen. So see. It is not present in submucosa of stomach. Fifth one. The initial step in the digestion of milk in human is carried out by lipase, rennin, trypsin, pepsin. In infants, rennin is present. So correct answer is rennin to digest the milk. Sixth one. Which one of the following animal has two separate circulatory pathway? Two separate circulatory pathway are found in mammals with four-chambered heart: whale, shark, frog, and lizard. Whale is the mammal. Doctors use stethoscope to hear the sounds produced during each cardiac cycle. The second sound is heard when? The second sound is heard when AV node receives signal from SA node. No. AV valves open up. No. Ventricular walls vibrate due to gushing in of blood from acid. No, it is not at all proper sentence. Semilunar valves close down after the blood flows into vessel from ventricles. Yes, this is correct. D is correct. Erythropoiesis starts in. Erythropoiesis means what? Formation of RBC. Formation of RBC. And it takes place in bone marrow. Spleen, red bone marrow, kidney, liver, red bone marrow. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Let us see which one is correct. Okay. Lymph, plasma plus RBC plus WBC. No RBC, wrong. Blood, plasma plus RBC plus WBC plus platelets. Yes, plasma, blood contains plasma, RBC, WBC, platelets. B itself is correct. 10th one. Blood pressure in the mammalian aorta is maximum during systole of the left ventricle. Yes, itself should be the answer. Okay, systole, when ventricle contracts, so blood rushes in. So this itself is correct answer. Remaining all are not correct. Diastole of the right atrium, systole of the left atrium, diastole of the right ventricle. These all are wrong answer. A itself is correct answer. Moving to 11th one. Human urine is usually acidic because why human urine is acidic? Let us see. Potassium and sodium exchange generate acidity. No. Hydrogen ions are actively secreted into the filtrate. This could be correct. Let us see. The sodium transporter exchanges on hydrogen ion for each sodium ion in peritubular capillaries. No. Excreted plasma produces are acidic. No. B itself is correct. Hydrogen ions are actively secreted. 12th one. Select the option which shows correct matching of animal with its excretory organ and excretory product. Let us see the correct matching. Let us see. Labiorohu nephridial tubes ammonia, wrong. Their excretory organ is kidney. Salamander kidney urea, yes, this is correct. B is correct. 13th one. The maximum amount of electrolytes and water, 70 to 80%, from the glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed in which part of nephron? Reabsorbed. Ascending limb of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, proximal convoluted tubule, and descending limb of loop of Henle. And we know the maximum absorption take place in proximal convoluted tubule. 14th. Which one of the following characteristic is common both in human and adult frog? Common both in human and adult frog. Four chambered heart? No. Internal fertilization? No. Nucleated RBC? No. Ureotelic mode of excretion is correct. Okay. So this is correct.